Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT and I am from Botswana. Today I'm reacting to one of my favorite genres. I feel like it wasn't my favorite when it was the time. I don't know. I don't remember. I wasn't like really like a night person, but I know this music if you're like a really night out person or even long drives. Yeah, because I didn't have a car back then. I was still broke and young and dumb. So I didn't do a lot of stuff that normal kids did back then or people did. But this music, I listen to it now, I'm like, oh my goodness, this was like good music. I mean, I knew back then that it was good music because everybody was crazy about this stuff. So it was really good. And here I am today as an adult with a little bit of gray hair, and I'm like, this music. I feel like I sound like an old person now. Our music was really good. No, this Amapiano thing. No, but Amapiano is also a good genre. Is has overtaken the world. Like where I'm at is not in Africa, and I hear a lot of Amapiano in different, like in places you wouldn't even think you would hear Amapiano. So Amapiano is like a global music genre now that people out here are enjoying it. So people all over the world are enjoying Amapiano, and I feel like Black Coffee is the only person, or maybe DJ Fresh, that has taken this genre to the masses. And I don't think it made any impact as Amapiano have done. Maybe because of technology now, because back then there was no Facebook. I mean, maybe Facebook was just starting. But anyway, enough of me talking all this stuff. Now it's like I'm educating you young ones. Okay, let's get to it. DJ Euphonic featuring Shota. Where are these guys? Cartel. This was everything, man. Like, look at the fashion. And like I'm watching this, I'm like, wow, time really flies. Because this does not actually. This was like not so long ago. Maybe it was like 8, 10 years ago, if it's like that far back. And the language, man, I remember, hey, Lena use. I don't know if people still talk like that these days. Ah, man. And the fashion, you can tell by the fashion that, everybody was still happy back then. If I had lived Yo, so for those of you who don't understand Zulu, he's basically saying, I am tired because you guys are using me. you and your friends are using me. You know, tomorrow you need this, tomorrow you need this, tomorrow you need that. But you know what? Go find somebody else who's gonna spoil you, give all this money. You see, young people, this is not a new thing. That it's a generational thing. We cannot break the cycle. We always are crying about the same thing. I mean, nowadays they say umjolo, or maybe we moved on from there. I don't know, but it's the same story from back then, man. It's yeah. I don't remember watching this video, but that was a good video as well, you know. For the time that it was shot at, that was a good video. Yeah, man, South Africans have been giving us really good stuff for many years now, you know, like I don't know, like from Nelson Mandela to whoever is doing it now, Tyler. You know, South Africa has been given the world entertainment, giving Africa entertainment and inspiration and all the things. So big up to South Africa. I don't know if these guys are still enjoying this music, but it's a good one. This were the days. This was the time, you know. So yeah, if you are here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Hey, there was a dance and everything to this, you know. I don't know. I don't have rhythm, otherwise I'll be standing up and showing you guys how we used to do it back then. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side.